Hello, my dear friends. Yesterday we studied a new lesson. Do you remember that? Yes? The present continuous tense. The present continuous tense. Tense. Now we know what is tense. Tense is the time of your action. And what are the possible times of your action? Yesterday, today, tomorrow. When you say yesterday, that is past. Today, present. And tomorrow, future. Now, what are we doing now? We are now thinking about our actions that we do in the present. That is today. So here you can see this tense is used to describe, yesterday we told you, to describe an action that is going on at the time of speaking. Or we can say now. Now. At the time of speaking or now. For example, I am writing. I am reading. See that? He is talking. She is dancing. Dance. Understand? And how will you say raining? Raining. Can you say they are raining? No, you cannot say. Can you say he is raining? No, you cannot say. Then, what is the way out? It is raining. It is raining. That is how we say. It is raining. Means, when you are speaking, it is raining. Understand? So, at the time of speaking, this tense is used to describe or express an action. Describe or express. Describe or express. Express an action that is going on at the time of speaking. That is a continuous, continuous tense. Or we also call it progressive tense. Progressive. Progressive. Means the action is progressing. That's it. Understand? So you can use this tense only when an action is taking place or something is happening at the time of speaking. It's a particular point you can say. At the time of speaking. Did you get that idea? Yes? Can you say, see, I am now, I stand. Can you say, I am standing? Yes, I can say. Because that action is there. I am for the cleaning. I am cleaning the ball. Isn't it? Yes. And also you should be so how to form that tense or how to make that tense. Understand? You can make a tense only with the or form a tense only with the verb. In this case, for example, eat. What is the formula that we saw yesterday? Present continuous tense means to be plus ing. This is present continuous tense. To be is, are. Ing is eat plus ing. So if you write is eating, am eating, are eating, that is a tense form. That is a tense. Understand? But very often what happens, very often students I also made that mistake when I was a student. We will write like this: I eating. I eating, you eating, they eating. Can you do that? No. Why? Because present continuous means there are two members in that, two parts. First part is one form of the verb to be. The other is the present participle. The ing form of a verb is called present participle. We can make present participle of a verb just by adding ing to it. Like eat, eating, drink, drinking, walk, walking, run, running, feel, feeling. Understand that? I feel, yes. See that? See. Then write, writing, swim, swimming, all the actions. Swim, sleep, sleeping. And you see, when you go home, sometimes your elder brother may be sleeping. Then he is sleeping. Yes. So remember that. One word alone will not make a tense. You have to have two words, two members. The first member is the verb to be, form of the verb to be. The second member is the ing form. And you know how to distribute it. No? Yesterday we said I am eating. First person am. Third person he, she, it is eating. Isn't it? And all the other persons, you, we, you, singular and plural, they are eating. See that? And this is positive sentence. Positive means something is there. Yes situation. Suppose you want to make it negative, what you have to do? Add the negative particle. Then you see, he is not eating. I am not eating. They are not eating. That's all. All you have to do is insert the negative particle. And then we saw another thing, a trick we saw. A trick, what is it? You can make it small, short, by removing this O and an apostrophe here. Apostrophe is a punctuation mark, like full stop, inverted comma, or colon, semicolon. These are punctuation marks. Punctuation means what you should say a stop. Sometimes it can be temporary or sometimes it can be final, lasting forever. You will see later. Typing, you understand, is a apostrophe is a punctuation. You use apostrophe instead of missing. Something is missing. Here O is missing. Sometimes you can see people write like this, 2017. They will write like this. See that? That means 20 is missing. So for numbers, when a number is missing, you can put for short form, you can use apostrophe. So here it isn't. And there is a change that we know. In this case, you cannot do like that. You have to say, I am not. That also we see. Okay. Now three very important points we saw about this tense. What are they? First, the form. Isn't it? Then we saw the positive. Always we begin with the positive. First you should know the form. So let us say like form. First is form of the verb. What is the form? To be plus ing. So when you expand this, actualize this, what will we get? Is, are plus eating. It's one word. And where is are? We know already, no? I am, he, she, it is. I am eating and eating. Okay. And eating. And all the other places we have they, we, you have are, eating. That is the first thing that you do. So when you learn a tense, first thing is to form. Then try to make it negative by adding not. And then you will find, and then contract. Contracted means make it small. Understand? Here it is. Isn't, aren't, but here when it is arm, you contract by removing a here and put a turn. I'm not. I'm not. I'm not. Not is written full. All the other places it is short. Isn't it? Aren't. Isn't it? You have done all. And then the third point you notice how to use it. Using. When will you use this? It's a simple tense. Now. The time is now. When you are writing now, that is understood. I am writing now. When you say I am writing, that means I am writing now. When you say he is sleeping now. And that is understood. You need not say that. When you use this tense, the time is there. What is the time? Now is the time. Did you get that point? Yes? So did you do that exercise what I told you? What I gave, exercise I gave you yesterday? Yes? All of you have done it? How many sentences you generated? You can generate sentence like this, you know. If I am, generate means make, generator, you know, generator. When there is no supply, the generator will start working, producing electricity. So in this case, you are generating sentences. When I say eat, you can make, the person continues, you can say, I am eating, you are eating, then he is eating, she is eating, it is eating, we are eating, you are eating, they are eating. I said give, then I am giving, you are giving, I am giving, you are giving, he is giving, she is giving, it is giving, we are giving, you are giving, they are giving, Joseph and Matthew are giving, people are giving, they are singing, sing, if it is sing. So you can go on making sentences like that. Remember, first the form, second is positive, then the negative, and remember the use, time indication. Okay, so that we have done. I think now it is clear to you. It was like a revision also. Today's special is the use of this tense. The use of this tense is, we have seen, now. What are you doing now? I ask you a question, what are you doing now? I am reading. What are you doing now? I am sleeping. You cannot say that. You cannot say I am sleeping. That means you are not sleeping. What are you doing now? I am playing. What are they doing now? They are playing. So you need not say now. What are they doing? They are playing. What is understood is now. What is he doing? He is praying. What is she doing? She is dancing. What is the Prime Minister doing? The Prime Minister is speaking. Man ki baat. Then, what is your father doing? My father. When I say your father, I answer my father. My father is working. What is your mother doing? My mother is cooking. Means at the time. So you can go on asking questions like this. You start speaking English. Okay? Asking questions. What are you doing? What are they doing? What is she doing? What is he doing? What is the cat doing? The cat is catching the mouse. Did you get that idea? So start speaking English. Okay? So then you will become very fluent in English very fast. Right? Good.